Hey guys, I'm here today to do a video on my plans for next year. I've got Cooper here with me. So I am going to go on a no-buy, I think for 6 months. So I am planning to do this for makeup and skincare items. So I've got some rules for myself. I'm planning to do like a replacement only. So if I finish up a category, I can buy something new. And I actually had put down that I could like buy something new if I have the one item left that's half used or more. So that way if I do want to order something that's going to take longer to get here, then I can, and not worry about my other item running out before I get the new item. As far as gift cards or gifts go, I have decided I can use them to buy things. So if I get a gift card or if I get a gift, I can spend the gift card on something that's not a replacement only. If I get a gift that I don't like and I want to return it, I can get something else, or I could just save that up for a gift card for later. I could be more strict there, but I think for right now it's okay to just use the gift cards. If I find that I'm somehow like spending a ton of money still, then I'll change that, but I don't get a ton of gift cards for beauty or skincare places. And I'm currently working on an inventory of all my makeup. I've had one that I've kept for a while, so it's not up to date, but I'm updating it right now since I've done some declutters of lip products, which you could watch. I did those before I decided I was going to do a no-buy, but I still mostly just got rid of old things or things that I didn't like, and I don't want to force myself to use up those things that I didn't like anyway. And then I don't have one for skincare yet. But on Instagram, I've been doing a stash challenge, posting different items from my stash, and that's kind of like a visual inventory, but I can also make that into a spreadsheet inventory. So I'll have those things I can share with you guys in future videos, and I'll try to track also like anything that I do spend that's a gift card. I'll track so I can tell you guys about it, so how much I'm spending in that way. I wanted to do this mostly just because like looking at makeup online is just something I tend to do like if I'm bored or having a bad day, and I'd rather play with the makeup I already have than do that, or read a book or something else like that. Some of my goals for the year are like to read 100 books, to exercise more, to write more. So if I'm spending a bunch of time looking at Sephora, I don't have the time to do those other things that I want to do. Cooper, stop it. Oh, you're licking your leg. And of course I have my little dog here, and he needs a lot of attention too. So it's not that I am overspending necessarily, like I'm not going into debt buying anything, but am I buying too much? Yeah, probably. So I did have last year some times where I set a budget for myself, and then some times where I just wasn't spending very much money without really a budget or anything that I was putting up. And I think that I can do a no-buy for at least 6 months. So we'll see at the end of 6 months if I want to stretch it out for the whole year or some portion longer. So this is starting January 1st. I did end up buying a few things after Christmas before January 1st. So I've got new things, but not like a ton of things. So that's my plan for my no-buy. Have been influenced by people on here, Hannah Louise Poston, I think that's how you say her name, and who else does a no-buy? I know the Beauty News girls did like a low-buy last year. People do those often. So just trying to see how a no-buy goes, see if I can do it. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Tune in if you want to see more content on my no-buy, or if you have any things that you want to see specifically. I might do a whole makeup inventory with pictures again, or I might just share some of my spreadsheet numbers. I haven't decided yet, so if you have a preference, let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, who's the cutest? Who's the cutest? Yeah, you're the cutest.